Welcome back on this channel, Bratans. And today we will speak about this question. I asked you, what should we speak about? We speak again about the CME gap and why we are getting rejected. But before we speak about it, I want that we are on the same page, bro. You have to understand, I'm not a bear. I'm fully 999% in crypto. I'm 90% also down, to be honest, but I'm a full bull. And as I told you in my yesterday's video, I explained to you that I'm expecting in December this year, so in 2 months, I'm expecting that we will reach even a new all-time high of $100,000. This was my opinion. So this is the first thing before people start again shitting in the newspaper in front of my door and ring the bell and run away. So this was a very nice joke. So therefore, right now, let's speak about the immediate short term before my iced decaf skimmed milk cappuccino is arriving. So we are on the same page. We know the market will soon pump. October is usually, you all know it. You're watching also Crypto and all the other guys with a lot of subscribers. You know, October is the month where we will pump. But yes, but immediate short term, we have full moon. And this is welcome the astrology channel of Crypto Bratan. We will have full moon. Full moon will be exactly in 2 days. And usually we see on full moon a dump. But this is not only the thing that we see usually on full moon dump. But look at this. As I told you, as I explained to you exactly, we got rejected Fibonacci 0.618 right now. We are getting rejected here. It's not 100% confirmed, but we are retesting, and it seems like we're not breaking it. But there are a lot of other indicators which are telling us that in immediate short term, we should see a dump. And also, as our Bratan here is writing, this is what we will do also later in this video. We are building a 4x community trade, BTC entry scalp from 57 to and 52, 500 swing to the upside. If you don't understand what this is, just watch me how I do it with my money and losing my money. Just don't do it. You can, if you're a professional trader, you can go and claim the bonus of $30,000. It's very hard to claim this bonus, but you can try it. But it's still working. Very hard to claim it, still working. Anyways, you can do also demo trade, but let me do, just watch what I'm doing and don't follow my trades. So we are getting here rejected Fibonacci 0.618 as it seems, but not only this, I mean, we could go as low as 50k here because the support line of this ascending broadening wedge is a bullish pattern. You measure here from the top, from the first touch point to the top to the last touch point here to downside. We could take this one. The price target, it's a bullish pattern, so the price target you see here from here, then you measure it here. This was the last touch point, so it's approximately here. So the price target of if we are breaking here this line at 67k, approximately 68k, the price target's here around 90k, so this is fine, but still we could go here and retest this 50k. So first Fibonacci 0.618, we are getting rejected. The first price target will be obviously 61k, the second one will be around 55k, and then we have 50k, and at 50k we have still the CME gap open, which I show you again because some people ask me, where is the CME gap? Okay, wait one second. Okay, my food is arrived. Very nice, but the CME gap will also arrive soon. So we have here the CME gap, which is exactly, by the way, we have still a CME gap open. You see, wow, look at this. You remember this 40k, how the CME gap was closed? Nobody believed me, but it was closed. And we still have a CME gap open, as you see it here, where I zoom in. There's still a CME gap open at 20k. This one was not closed. I also don't think that this CME gap will ever get closed because 20k, come on, what should happen? I don't know what should happen. So, but there is still a CME gap open at here, exactly at 50k here between 54k and 54k, 53, 54k. So this is the CME gap. So this is another indicator that we could potentially see a dump. We could see. chill, bro. I show you other indicators. Then what we have else? If you're just watching, if you are experienced trader like me, losing a lot of money in this market, then you see the RSI is so overheated. Look at this. We are at the moment at 65, and not only this, we have also what I showed you in the previous videos. We have a bearish divergence. RSI goes up, price goes down. This is a very clear indicator that we have here a bearish divergence. Another indicator that we should see a down. So what we have RSI, which is overheated. We have full moon is coming in. We have rejecting at the Fibonacci 0.618. Imagine, we see so crazy pump after this, but we are not finished. We have 3 indicators already which are telling us we see dump in the immediate short term, bro. Immediate short term. I'm not a bear. Again, immediate short term. Please don't fuck me up in this comments when you're writing you're a bear, blah, 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 all this shit, you know. Then what we have else? We see here, we have, and now we are coming to another thing which is very interesting, and I show here also in our for free Telegram group. Fuck, I have to make this Telegram group for $100 per month so I get money for this. Man, what we have else? Somebody asked me, do you trade, wait a minute here, do you trade, where's this, wait, here, do you know something about the smart money concept? And smart money concept, this is a trading concept, and this is basically what I show you every day. Smart money concept is that you are watching where is the liquidity. You're checking where's the liquidity here. I mean, I can show you first before you start saying it's not right what I'm telling you here. The smart money concept compromise fundamental concepts that are pivotal, watching order blocks, fair value gaps, CME gaps, liquidity gaps, breaker blocks, and immigration, Europe or something like that. So what we see here, and this exactly the liquidity, because usually what do the market, I mean, how they make money? They see where the biggest liquidity is, so where right now a lot of longs are, so they liquidate them all and getting the money and buying Lamborghini, Bugatti, and so on from your money. So this basically what the smart money concept is. You watch where's the liquidity in the market, and by this concept you start to trade. If this is another, and now you have really to understand and start thinking. I mean, if we are in the matrix and they control us, then probably they did the smart money concept that we are thinking we know how to trade, but they fuck us. You know, this is like the second corner, thinking around the second corner. I'm not sure if you understand what I mean. Anyway, so the next indicator which is telling us that we, by the way, hit the like button. We reached yesterday over 150 likes on the video. It helps really to push the algorithm. We have a lot of liquidity here starting at 63k. Look, come on. If you think that they will not grab liquidity at least to 60k, you see here this yellow line, this all the liquidity at least to 60k, and at 60k we have also at 60k is coming the first all the basically EMA ribbons coming at 60k. So at least to 60k we will go, but for sure here the EMA ribbon is exactly at 60k to support. So 60k is, in my opinion, it's like in Stein gemeißelt, we tell in German. So in my opinion, again, I could be wrong again, as always, so please watch out. So I'm expecting here the biggest liquidity is ending here at 57k, at 54k is approximately the CME gap. So I think the wick could go to 54k. So we have again another indicator. I really already don't know how many indicators telling us that we could see dump. Then we have the fear and greed index 53. Come on, it's too much already. It's too much. It has to be in at least in the fear or even extreme fear area until we see massive pump. I mean, okay, this indicator could be, we could discuss that maybe it's okay before pump to see neutral a fear and greed index, but in my opinion, I want to see it's an extreme fear, everyone is shitting in the pants, then boom, we see this pump, right? So this is another thing. And then I had also something, I mean, we see the S&P 500 running through without retesting this line, you see? So also S&P 500 are expecting here to see a retest of this support line, you know, because everyone is now, oh, new all-time high, but you know, usually all-time high and then shortly fuck everyone and then pump again. So expecting also S&P 500 retested, and this would be perfect. In my opinion, this is the perfect scenario. And another indicator, yes, now I see it, is the open interest. Come on, open interest around 102,000 at 102,000 approximately. You see, always when you draw this line here, always when we had this overheated of open interest, and I draw here this line. Wait, maybe I can make it bigger even. How I make it bigger? 1 second. The fuck, I don't need this volume shit. Okay, 1 second here. Boom. There you go. Okay. You see, always when we're getting here overheated, you see here, starting here, boom, and then we saw a dump happening. Also, again here, you see, always when we got in this area, we saw afterwards a dump happening. You see, boom. Always when you see we're going in this area, we see afterwards, boom, dump. So in my opinion, this is I'm not counting. Please write down below how many indicators are telling us that we see dump. Again, all these indicators could be that the whales are leading us to liquidate. But come on, bro, so many indicators telling us in immediate short term we should see at least 60k, at least maybe even 55k. My trades look better. By the way, I want to speak about some campaigns. By the way, my trade, Pepe, $6,500 in loss. I won't say profit, but looks better. It was $9,000 in loss. GME, $9,000 in loss. Not so good, but it still. But before we are starting here, I want to show you together with you guys, because this was a nice idea here from our Bratan, build a 4x community trade. Before I show you how I will set limit orders on this potential Bitcoin trade, I want to show you that it's very interesting, and write me please down below, because I am a Bybit partner and I have for you, you know, some special offers I can share with you. If you want, you write me down below. There's position airdrop ongoing. There's $100,000 prize with guaranteed win. Lucky draw European Kati. I even don't know what that all is. Nero Spinfest Wheel of Treasury. I know, maybe some of you, you know, some people, these are the type of people who knows how to redeem all these coupons and get percentage. I mean, this could pay out for some of you. Just check out if you want. I can share the link. Anyway, this $30,000 bonus link is also down below. And someone wrote yesterday, also very interesting, that I should do live trading. Tell me when. So a lot of you wrote me. I asked you, should I do live trading? Come here live and should do live trading. Should I do it? If you wanted me, I mean, you want already. You wrote down below that I should do live trading here. Write me. We have today Wednesday. When should we do this week? Should we do it on maybe on Saturday when you're all home? Or should we do it maybe tomorrow, for example? Tomorrow, I don't know, something like 12 or 1 Dubai time. What do you think? Write me down below. This is very important for me to know. And now let's prepare the order. Let's prepare like this Bratan said, because it sounds reasonable in my opinion, even though we could get fucked, but 4x it's not much. So first of all, we prepare the first trade at 57,500, the first entry. So 57,500 is the first entry. 57,500 is the first entry. But bro, I think I will do 10x. You do, if you want 4x, I will do 10x trade. 57,500, or should I do? I will do 10x. Come on, fuck it. 57,500 is my first entry. 57,500. Wait a minute. Let's see again. Oh, 57,500 is my first entry. So I prepared already the first one, and the second one he wrote. 52,500. 52,500. I will double check also. 52,500 is the second one, and 52,500. 500 is wait. I didn't prepare anyways. So we make first 52,500, so 50%, $1,000. Here you see it's $1,000 costs me, but this will be, as it is 10x, it will be like $10,000. It will be like $10,000. You see it here. So okay, 52,500, and the other one was 57,500. So this would be also $1,000. You see, it's now like $10,000 because it's on 10x, right? So open long, boom. So current orders, let's double check the current orders. I have still the IO orders at $1.53. Let's double check also IO if I will hit this limit long order, because IO, I think this one, bro, IO, I mean, it has so much attention. It was so hyped among the investors, and it has only market cap of 250 million. I think this could rise like crazy, and it looks really nice. It looks really nice. Look at this. I hope $1.50 we could hit, but let's go back here to the BTC. We have here 57,500, 52,500. It's set 10x orders, so this looks nice. And let's have a quick check on IO, because I really, yeah, you see it also here, you see perfectly. Oh, we will hit it, we will hit it, trust me. I think so. If not, anyways, then I will lose money on another trade. And let's check IO. Here's my entry, boom. You see here exactly at $1.53. At $1.53. We should go as low as $1.53, because you see here the big support is coming here. There's a big support at $1.50 coming approximately. The danger is that there's another support which is not so strong, but another support is here at approximately, wait a minute, approximately here at $1.80, because you see here a lot of resistance coming in, and here. But the biggest is still at $1.50. So I think we will hit it. It all depends if Bitcoin will dump. So I hope that Bitcoin will dump, that my Bitcoin IO order will get activated, but hopefully it will not dump too low that I get liquidated on all these trades. What do you think about? Thank you very much for watching. I kiss you and see you later.